Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget 3D printers for beginners. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Longer Big Size 3D Printer. Brand name, Longer. Built-in 4.3 Super Big touchscreen to a better reaction with printer. No more knob. Just touch by your fingers. Build size, 220 by 220 by 250 mm. Touchscreen, 4.3 color touchscreen. Printing speed, less than 180 mm s, suggested 60 to 80 mm s. Slice software, Cura, Repetier host. File format, G-code, STL. Connection, TF card or USB cable. Material, 1.75 mm PLA, ABS, wood, etc. More friendly user interface to understand and operation. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer. Brand name, Creality 3D. Classic 3D printer Ender 3 Pro. Working mode, online or SD card offline. Filaments, 1.75 mm PLA, ABS, PU, copper, wood, carbon fiber. Software supporting, Pro, SolidWorks, UG, 3D Max, Rhino 3D Design. File format, STL, UBJ, AMF, G-code. Printing method, TF card, online, offline. Layers software, Cura, Repetier host. Printing size, 220 by 220 by 250 mm. Stable power supply. High quality extruder. Resume printing while power off. Number 3. Flying Bear newest 3D printer. Brand name, Flying Bear. Ghost 4S full metal frame high precision DIY 3D printer. Print size, 255 by 210 by 210 mm. Printer size, 392 by 342 by 420 mm. Max printing speed, 150 mm per second. Ghost 4 material type, PLA, ABS, wood, HIPS. Ghost 4's printing material type, PU, PLA, ABS, wood, HIPS. Power requirements, 24V, 300W. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, SD card, USB. Input file format, STL, UBJ, DAY, AMF. Output file format, code, JZG. Compatibility, Windows, Mac control software, Repetier host, Cura. Machine weight, 15 kilograms. Number 2. Tronxy Filament Sensor 3D Printer. Brand name, Tronxy. 330 by 330 mm heat table 3D machine filament sensor. Printing speed, 40 mm per second. Slice thickness, 0.1 to 0.4 mm. Maximum printing speed, 100 mm per second. Interface type, USB. Color print speed, 20 to 100 mm per second. Filament, PLA ABS HLPS flexible wood PC PVC and so on. Slice software, Repetier host Cura. Power supply, 24 volts. Maximum working speed, 100 mm per second. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Operating system, Windows, MOS OS, Linux. File format, STL.G code, UBJ. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Support, touchscreen and auto leveling. Support, TF memory card, USB. Number 1. Artillery Large 3D Printer. Brand name, Artillery. 300 by 300 by 400 mm large plus size high precision. Touchscreen. Interface type, USB. Color print speed, 60mm to 150 per second. Build volume, 300 by 300 by 400mm. Layer resolution, 0.1mm to 0.35mm. Travel speed, 250mm per second. Print surface, glass ceramic. Heat bed type, AC heat bed. Number of extruders, 1 filament diameter, 1.75mm. Supported materials, PLA, ABS, flexible PLA, wood, VA, HIPS. XYZ resolution, 0.05mm, 0.05mm, 0.1mm. Nozzle temperature, 180°C 240°C. Nozzle heat up time, less than 3 minutes. Build plate heat up time, 80°C in less than 2 minutes.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this in future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.